Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of organic spices with Simply Organic Fennel Seed. If you're looking to elevate your culinary game with the finest fennel seeds on the market, you've come to the right place. Simply Organic is renowned for its commitment to quality, and their fennel seeds are no exception. Sourced from certified organic farms, these seeds are not just a spice, but a testament to sustainable and ethical farming practices. Each batch is carefully selected to ensure freshness and potency, making it a top choice for chefs and home cooks alike. What sets Simply Organic apart is their attention to detail. These seeds are USDA organic and kosher, meeting the highest standards of purity and flavor. Whether you're using them in soups, stews, or as a digestive aid, you can trust that each seed is packed with natural goodness and robust flavor. Now, let's talk benefits. Fennel seeds aren't just about taste, they're also packed with health benefits. Known for their digestive properties, these seeds can help alleviate bloating and support overall gut health. Plus, they add a delightful aroma and depth to any dish, from roasted vegetables to homemade bread. Cooking with fennel seeds is easy and versatile. You can toast them to release their oils and intensify their flavor, or grind them for a finer texture in baking. They pair beautifully with fish, pork, and even desserts like biscotti or fruit compotes. The possibilities are truly endless. Speaking of which, let's hear from our viewers who have tried Simply Organic Fennel Seed. Many rave about its freshness and how it elevates their dishes to restaurant quality. The consensus is clear: this is the go-to brand for premium fennel seeds. Before we wrap up, let's touch on sustainability. Simply Organic not only cares about quality but also about the environment. By choosing organic, you're supporting sustainable farming practices that protect our planet for future generations. It's a win-win. That's a wrap on our review of Simply Organic Fennel Seed. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary enthusiast, these seeds deserve a place in your pantry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay curious and keep cooking.